Hey guys, Lucy here from Hunting for George. So I have just finished making over all the interiors of my home. Every single room of my house got an update, and what I actually did in every single room was update the window furnishings. Now, the thing that I love most about updating your window furnishings is it literally instantly changes the look and feel of your space. Now, I actually use DIY blinds, and I've actually been working with DIY blinds for a long time now. I used them in my last apartment in Armidale, and I've basically used them in every single room of my home. I'm talking timber venetians and shutters, but more recently, I've been using their motorized blinds and curtains thanks to their partnership with Somfy. So basically, DIY blinds, they make any window furnishing you can think of, but specifically curtains and blinds. Somfy, they create motors. You put the two of them together, motorized curtains and blinds. Today I'm actually behind the scenes of a brand new project, so I'm giving you guys a little bit of a sneak peek, but I can't show you too much because all shall be revealed very soon. But I've basically installed DIY blinds and Somfy motorized curtains and blinds throughout this entire apartment. And the reason why I did that is because, well, there's a couple of reasons, but for one, they're super easy to install. So the Somfy motors are actually wire-free. So no wires means no wiring, which means no electrician. The wire-free motors actually operate off a battery, so they will need to be charged about every 12 months. Somfy do offer a wired option. This is really good if you, one, don't want to charge them, and two, if you've got a really large format space that you need to power. Okay, but probably the main reason, and definitely the coolest reason of why I wanted to bring the Somfy motors into this pad is because of its home automation. So they actually have a Somfy Connect Soon hub, which allows you to make your motorized blinds and curtains smart, like genius smart. And here I was thinking that this old remote was smart enough. So their Connect Soon hub actually enables you to connect your curtains and blinds to apps like Google and Alexa, so you can actually automate your homes and get your blinds and curtains to do pretty much whatever you want from wherever you want. So you can actually schedule what time of the day you want your curtains and blinds to open and close. So if you wake up at 5:45 every single morning, you can set them to open as soon as your alarm goes off. So not only can you do scheduling for your window furnishings, but you can also set up triggers. So they've actually got some really good features, and the one that I actually especially like is the weather trigger. And just say, for example, you're not at home, if the temperature hits a certain mark, maybe 30 degrees, you can actually get your curtains to shut. You don't have to worry because you've already got it automated. You can also set up proximity triggers depending on how close you are to and from your home. As well as that, you can also set up voice command through your Google Home and Amazon Alexa. So the ability to turn your home into a smart home is the reason why I'm talking to you guys today, because DIY blinds and Somfy have a very special promotion running at the moment. If you head onto the DIY blinds website and order 4 Somfy motors for either your blinds or your curtains or a combination of the two, then you will actually get a free Somfy Connect Soon hub. Now this bad boy is what turns your motorized blinds and curtains into smart motorized blinds and curtains. So the cool thing about DIY blinds is that they actually allow you to just buy their Somfy motors, so you can actually retrofit them to your existing curtains and blinds. Like, that's kind of a big deal. Everybody else is gonna make you buy completely new curtains and blinds, whereas they don't, which is kind of awesome. If you head to the DIY Blinds website, all the information is there, so they make sure you get exactly the right Somfy motor to fit your existing curtains and blinds. But on the flip side to that, maybe you don't even have blinds, maybe you don't even have windows because you're still in the planning and the building phase of your project, which is always a really good time to reach out because DIY Blinds do have a team of home automation experts, so they can just chat directly to your builder, to your electrician, and they can develop the seamless integration for you, so you literally don't have to do a thing. So you can retrofit, you can start from scratch, or you can just update your existing, which is my personal favorite because then you get to hand pick what fabric and textures you want in your space. So for this particular apartment, I actually opted to go with a sheer curtain option, and I really love bringing sheer curtains in. They're a great way to bring in a really nice soft tactile texture. DIY Blinds can send out fabric samples to you, so simply jump onto their website, pick a couple that you're interested in, and they will send those samples to you so you can actually take a look at what they look like in your home. So DIY Blinds together with Somfy are making it super easy for you to turn your home into a smart home. If you want to take advantage of the promotion, then head to the DIY Blinds website or hit the link below. It's here for a good time though, not a long time, so make sure you be quick. If you want to see more of this space that I'm standing in right now, then please stay tuned because we have got a complete apartment makeover coming your way. I'm so excited for this one. It's a really fun one. We show you everything that we did in this space to completely transform this apartment.